Welcome back to Car Alerts, your one-stop shop for real-world car reviews and detailed breakdowns on the latest rides hitting the streets. Today, we're diving into one of the most consistently praised compact sedans out there, the all-new 2026 Mazda 3. Sleek, sophisticated, and surprisingly sporty. The Mazda 3 has always punched above its weight, but this time around, Mazda has fine-tuned it in all the right ways, blending luxury touches with dynamic performance, tech-savvy features, and jaw-dropping aesthetics. So, buckle up, we're going full throttle into everything you need to know about the 2026 Mazda 3. Exterior. Right off the bat, the front of the new Mazda 3 turns heads with its elegant yet aggressive presence. Mazda's Kodo design language continues to shine here with a sleek, sculpted hood that flows smoothly into a newly refined front grille. The mesh design on the grille is tighter and more intricate than before, framed in glossy piano black or satin chrome, depending on the trim. It's flanked by sharper, slimmer LED headlights that now feature adaptive front lighting for better visibility around curves at night. Below the grille, the front bumper has been resculpted for a sportier, lower stance, giving the car a more planted look, even when parked. Air intakes are subtly integrated, adding both style and aerodynamic function without going over the top. Swinging around to the side, the 2026 Mazda 3 continues to impress with its clean, uncluttered profile. The body lines are sleek and uninterrupted, thanks to cleverly concealed panel gaps and a design philosophy that emphasizes minimalism and motion. The beltline gently rises from the front fender to the rear, adding a sense of forward momentum, while the slight flare around the wheel arches gives the car a muscular but refined stance. Depending on the trim, you'll get 16, 18, or all-new 19-inch alloy wheels, available in finishes like gunmetal grey or black metallic, perfectly complementing the vehicle's color palette, which now includes a new zircon sand and Arctic white. Side mirrors are now slimmer and sport a sleeker housing, with integrated turn signals and available autofold. The side windows get chrome or black surrounds based on trim level, adding to that premium feel Mazda is chasing and pretty much achieving. As we make our way to the rear, the Mazda 3 continues its masterclass in subtle sophistication. The back end is clean and cohesive, with horizontal LED tail lights that echo the front's signature lighting. They've been tweaked for 2026 with a more pronounced ring-style illumination that looks sharp both day and night. The rear bumper has been subtly reshaped, especially on the hatchback variant, which now sports a more integrated roof spoiler and a new rear diffuser design. The dual exhaust outlets, standard on most trims, are finished in chrome and neatly tucked into the lower rear valance. There's no unnecessary clutter, no fake vents, no excessive badging, just a clean, confident design that ages gracefully. Interior. Step inside the 2026 Mazda 3 and you're instantly reminded why this car has often been compared to entry-level luxury sedans. Mazda has truly embraced a driver-centric philosophy, wrapping the cockpit in high-quality materials and thoughtful ergonomics. Soft touch surfaces dominate the dashboard, with premium stitching that runs seamlessly across the instrument panel. On higher trims, you get genuine leather upholstery, aluminum accents, and even open-pore wood trim. Yes, in a compact sedan. The layout is intentionally simple. Everything is where it needs to be, with a minimal number of buttons all intuitively placed. The centerpiece of the interior is the updated 10.25-inch infotainment display, which now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across all trims. The screen sits atop the dash, controlled by a rotary dial near the gear shifter. A polarizing decision for some, but it keeps your focus on the road. The digital instrument cluster has also been upgraded, offering crisp graphics and customizable layouts depending on drive mode. Speaking of drive modes, the Mazda 3 now includes a drive mode selector, letting you toggle between normal, sport, and a new eco setting for those long highway drives. Seats are firm but supportive, with power adjustment and lumbar support available up front, and optional heated and ventilated features in the higher trims. Rear seat space remains adequate for this class, not class-leading, but definitely comfortable for two adults. Headroom is slightly better in the sedan than in the hatchback, due to the sloping roofline, but either way, it's a cozy yet refined cabin. Mazda's sound insulation has also been improved, with thicker glass and additional dampening materials to reduce wind and road noise, making the cabin feel more serene even at highway speeds. Performance under the hood The 2026 Mazda 3 continues to offer a choice of powertrains, depending on trim and configuration. The base engine is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4, now producing 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, a slight bump from last year thanks to some ECU tweaks and internal refinements. It's mated to a smooth-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, and there's also a 6-speed manual available on select trims for enthusiasts. If you want more punch, the turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine is still available and is arguably the star of the show. It pumps out up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when running on premium fuel, giving the Mazda 3 some real athleticism. Acceleration feels strong and linear, with virtually no turbo lag and a satisfying growl under load. All-wheel drive is available on both engine options, providing added confidence in wet or snowy conditions. The ride quality strikes a near-perfect balance between sporty and smooth. Mazda has fine-tuned the suspension for 2026, adding revised dampers and updated bushings for better body control and ride compliance. The steering is precise, nicely weighted, and communicates road feel in a way that's rare in this segment. Whether you're carving through corners or cruising down the freeway, the Mazda 3 feels composed and confident. Fuel economy remains solid, with the naturally aspirated engine delivering up to 37 mpg on the highway, and the turbo model still managing impressive numbers given its performance. In terms of safety, Mazda continues to load the 3 with advanced driver assistance features. Standard across the board are adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and Mazda's driver attention alert system. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and traffic jam assist, which brings a semi-autonomous driving experience in stop-and-go conditions. Pricing for the 2026 Mazda 3 starts around $24,000 for the base 2.5S sedan and climbs to just over $36,000 for the top-of-the-line Turbo Premium Plus with AWD. The hatchback variant adds around $1,000 to each corresponding trim. Given the materials, performance, and tech on offer, the Mazda 3 continues to be one of the best values in its class. It's luxurious without being overpriced, sporty without being harsh, and stylish without being shouty. It's the kind of car that quietly impresses you more each time you drive it. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Mazda 3 doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it doesn't have to. It takes an already exceptional platform and refines it in just the right ways. Subtle design tweaks, improved tech, enhanced driving dynamics, and continued attention to quality make this latest iteration of the Mazda 3 not just a great compact car, but a genuinely compelling vehicle in any category. Whether you're a driving enthusiast, a commuter looking for comfort and style, or someone who just appreciates craftsmanship, the Mazda 3 should absolutely be on your radar. Thanks for riding along with us on this deep dive into the 2026 Mazda 3. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Alerts, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss another drop. Let us know in the comments, would you take the Mazda 3 over a Civic, Corolla, or Elantra? We want to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay safe, drive smart, and we'll see you in the next review.